Hello there. In this video, I'm going to dive into the overall campaign stats found to the right of the graphs on the campaign dashboard. As you can see here, I've already navigated to a campaign dashboard. The KPIs and metrics displayed here are determined by the set objective for the campaign displayed. In this example, we are looking at a campaign with a CPA or cost per action objective. Therefore, the KPIs and metrics displayed here are representative of a CPA campaign. Let's start here at the top with overall campaign stats, which simply shows the time frame of this campaign from start to finish. As you can see, this campaign started on January 5th and is currently scheduled to complete on April 18th. All the data displayed directly below is representative of the entire campaign from the start date until today. Let's take a look at the two bar graphs displayed here. They are pacing by spend and time. Pacing by spend shows how much the campaign has spent to date and the percentage of the total budget that it represents. Time shows how much of the time allotted for the campaign has elapsed by date and percentage. By looking at the pacing by spend and time values together, you can judge whether the campaign is under or overspending. Keep in mind that this information includes all lines and flights. Therefore, any adjustments to past or present flight budgets or line item CPM could alter the pacing measurements. Also, AutoPacer will spend heavy up just at the beginning to help Rocket Fuel's moment scoring technology learn and optimize your campaign's performance, and then becomes more selective as it approaches end of flight budget and flight end date. Now let's look at the 6 KPIs or key performance indicators shown here in the middle. The first KPI is the total number of impressions for this campaign to date. Below that, we have the total spend for this campaign to date. Next, we have CPC, which stands for cost per click, and here we see the total average cost per click for this campaign to date. Now at the top of the second column, we see the total number of actual conversions for this campaign to date. Below that, we have our CPA or cost per action, where we see the total cost per action average for this campaign to date. And finally, we have conversion rate, which is the percentage of conversions delivered per impressions delivered. Our last two metrics are seen here at the bottom: CPA by hour of day and CPA by day of week. CPA by hour of day allows us to see the average cost per action for any given hour during the campaign to date and for any given hour so far today. CPA by day of week allows us to see the average cost per action for any given day of the week during the campaign to date and for any given day so far in this week. This concludes our dive into the overall campaign stats on the campaign dashboard.